Assalamu alaikum. Surah Al-Baqarah Ayat 11. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When it is said to them, don't cause corruption on the earth, they say, we are but reformers. Ayat 12. Unquestionably, it is they who are the corruptors, but they perceive it not. Ayat 13. And when it is said to them, believe as the people have believed, they say, should we believe as the foolish have believed? Unquestionably, it is they who are foolish, but they know it not. Ayat 14. When they meet those who believe, they say, we believe. When they are alone with evil ones, they say, indeed, we are with you. We were only mockers. Allah mocks them and prolongs them in their transgression, wandering blindly. Those are the ones who have purchased error in exchange for guidance. So their commerce has brought no profit, nor were they guided. Ayat 17. Their example is that of one who kindled a fire, but when it illuminated what was around him, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness, so they could not see. Ayat 18. Deaf, dumb, and blind, so they will not return to the right path. Ayat 19. Or their example is like a rainstorm from the sky, within which is darkness, thunder, and lightning. They put their fingers in their ears against the thunderclap in dread of death. But Allah is encompassing of the disbelievers. Ayat 20. The lightning snatches away their sight. Every time it lights the way for them, they walk therein. When darkness comes upon them, they stand still. If Allah had willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. Indeed, Allah is able to do all things. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.